is going on, guys? We're back with another video, episode 3 of the engine rebuild series. Make sure you guys go check out 1 and 2 so you don't miss out on anything that's going on. So last time we basically saw the main damage of what happened to the motor. It was pretty bad. If you guys haven't seen that, go check it out. But today we should be completely tearing apart the motor, getting everything out. I'm not really sure what we're doing after that, but I guess we'll go and see. Also, I noticed I wasn't really talking much in episode 2. I'm gonna try to talk a lot more with you guys during like this video, so it's not just like cinematics. It's more like talking and like my thoughts and all that fun stuff. Let's get right to it. I'm not gonna be having a GoPro POV because I am in the truck right now, so nothing that crazy, but yeah, I'll see you guys there. All right, guys, so we're at the shop. S1000 is here. No motor, no nothing. And I'll show you guys a little surprise that we got today. All right, guys, we got a little box over here. Let's open it up and check what's inside. There she is, guys. Look at that. So I didn't really talk much about this motor in the video because we'll probably go more in depth in the next couple episodes, but just letting you guys know this motor is capable of holding 1400 horsepower, which is mind-blowing. It's insane. Apparently there's only like 4 or 5 of these motors in the country. Like, I'm speechless. I don't know what to say. You could tell, like, he showed me some of the differences. You could see in the rings in the middle how much thicker it is. I'm pretty sure in the end I'll show you the comparison from the old motor, the stock one, and then this new built block. And you could just see, it just looks like a piece of art. I don't know. It's insane. I don't even know much about these motors and all that, but I'm learning as we're going along. It's crazy. It's crazy. You could just see that it's not normal. All right, so right now we're just taking apart all the extra accessories and all that stuff on the motor. I'm gonna just be getting some of the clips of that, and then we'll get into actual fun stuff after that. So what I'm about to show you guys is the head, my head, and then an actual normal head, and you guys will see how bad this carbon buildup had and just a bunch of bad stuff. Alright, so we took apart the bottom end. As you can see, a bunch of parts and stuff over here.
You can tell right here how the rod journal number 2 is black from the heat. So we overheated rod journal number 2. If you compare this journal to this journal right here, notice how we have a close to 90-degree angle on the end, no discoloration on the sides. And then over here, it looks like it's all one piece, which means that our connecting rod ate into the side of the crank. So if we put one back on there, it won't last long at all. Number 2, let's pull out number 2 real quick. So here's connecting rod number 2. Notice the bearing is still on there, but it's completely shot.
Yeah.
See how it warps all the way around it? So in comparison, this is what it's supposed to look like compared to what's on there now. This journal, or this connecting rod bearing right there, that's what this is supposed to look like. That's the one that came off number 2. And the one that we still have on right here. So safe to say that shot. The side of it too.
Yeah.
And here's our other big issue.
That's
Look at the side of your pistons.
Wow.
So those skirts are gone. Both sides. Skirts showing wear. Alright, so here is cylinder number 2, where we had the most damage. If you notice the cylinder walls, all those scratches going down. See it right there. We have some more on the upside. See right there as well. Alright, so all of those your fingernail gets caught in, which means it's too far gone. Now, if you look down at the bottom of each cylinder, it looks like fresh hone marks. Look down this one. See those big rings down there all the way at the bottom? Or it's fresh at the bottom. It's been honed. So this engine has been opened before. Somebody did repairs on the cylinder walls. They probably didn't do them right. Probably helped out with the reason why where we're at today.
So it's not completely my fault, guys, that this happened.
No,
I mean,
definitely
over
not.
time it was probably going to happen either way. It just ended up happening earlier. But so apparently it was touched before the motor.
Yes, definitely.
So yeah, guys, my motor has literally been messed with before. I had no idea. Like, I actually didn't. It's pretty sucky, but at least it's not 100% my fault now, because I know that was a big reason why that motor did blow. They didn't do everything perfectly, and yeah, over time it was bound to happen. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. A lot of videos coming up. We have to put the motor back together, the actual built motor. Then we have to actually put it back in the car. Then we have to do dyno. Then we have to do the break-in period. And we have so much more to go. We're only about like halfway through. But yeah, guys, I'm so excited. And thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. Peace out.